Okay, so we're going to be playing with Cydia a little bit today, and just showing you a little bit different things you can do. Uh, in fact, this is a Cydia downloaded program called VLC Viewer that allows you to obviously view your iPod on your PC screen for making videos and cool stuff like this. Different tutorials. So obviously we've already gone into the loader and downloaded that and clicked on Cydia. So I'm just going to show you a little bit about the stuff I've done. See, this is one of the cool things. It's an application called Barrel. It's a plugin for your iPod Touch. So, where should we start? There's just so many different things you can do. Here's my lock screen. It's actually the HTC lock screen. As you can see, there's no slider bar right there. I also have it to where click that to get rid of the weather or whatever. I don't know if you guys are into that type of thing, but it's just pretty freaking cool. They have the notifications up here like this. So we're doing this, and so yeah. Well, there's a lot of things you can do with Cydia. This particular program allows you to put 5 programs on your dock, where usually you only be able to do 4. What else do we got here? There's also different programs that allow you to download cracked apps, which are, for all intents and purposes, illegal. But if you don't want to pay for it and you're lazy, whatever works, right? So I'm just going to give you a little demonstration. This particular app is called Activator. It comes when you download Winterboard. At least it did with mine. It allows you to activate different things. For example, there's one. Anywhere. There we go. I have one that allows you to. Which one do I have selected? There's just a ridiculous amount of them, but you can. Where's a good one? Sleep button, double press. So you can make it so that it brings up your iPod controls, or it just does what it usually just takes you to your lock screen. You can make it so it unlocks your device, so that if you double click it, even if it's the screen is black or screen is off and it's in standby, you can unlock it directly. It's pretty cool, unless you have a password on it. There's another one that allows you to take you can take screenshot. I mean, it's just ridiculous amount. You can set it so it opens up different apps, so that's kind of cool. So it's just kind of a demonstration of the different things that iTunes is stupid, and if they would just put it on their thing normally as an app, or they allowed apps like this, then we wouldn't have to break the code, because the ones they have on there are just gay. So I'm opening up Cydia right now. Show you a little bit how to use that. Here we go. It does take a little bit to open up. Some allows you to search. This thing right here is the VLC viewer. This is how I have my iPod screen on the computer. I think I already said that. Pretty sure I did. Or this thing called Sinful that gives you a lot of cracked apps and whatnot. See, they just have an enormous list of apps that you can have. Let's just go to a random one. Finish reloading, you annoying bastard. And they have anything on here from Sega Genesis emulators, if you want to play some old game or whatever. See, this is the barrel cracked one that allows you to have cool transitions and stuff. Jeez. there's just so many different things. I found it most useful to Google what you want to do with it, and then go and find an it'll somebody somewhere on a forum or whatever. I'll have a list. These are the ones, the big ones. The thing is with adding new sources, when you add sources to this, it basically, when you're searching, it opens up their database of apps and third-party sources to your iPod. So let's go back here. Yay. That was awesome. Storage. These are the different packages that you've already done, so you can view what you have on there. This is really useful because sometimes they are third-party apps, so not all of them can be trusted, and some of them can really crap out your iPod and ruin things. You know, like I've had a couple of them where I've downloaded them and it just springboard. It has to go into safety mode because it just messes with your iPod. So you have to go back into Cydia and remove it, and then try to re-download it, or just forget about it. Try to find something else that does the same thing. Because chances are there's like 3 or 4 apps that'll do the same thing. So yeah, I have the HTC lock. That's the one I showed you before on the home screen. Lock info. This one is a paid one, but I have the trial version for now, so I'll play with that for the time being. You can see it's the one I'm doing right now. Winterboard. This allows you to have like a bunch of different themes and whatnot. It allows you to hide things. A lot of the plugins that you'll get, plugins are right here. These themes. They allow you to. They're usually run through a different program. Winterboard will do all the. Will run all the themes that you'll do, or most of them actually. Alright, so we're gonna go to sources here, and this is the main thing I wanted to show you. There's a good list of I'll have a link to it in the description. It'll allow you to. I already said it'll allow you to open up your thing. So I'm just gonna play with one real fast. Download a random one. Hopefully it doesn't mess up my iPod too bad. Go to an emulator. Because games rock. I mean, why do we all have iPod touches besides to view porn and watch videos and play games? So, loading. Still loading. All right. Let's go to emulator. Actually, I'm going to show you this other thing before we do this. You can search it here, or you can go to sections. Here we go. Go back. We have a large list of all the different things they have. Games, 242. So we're going to go to NES emulator. N64 emulators. I used to own one of those. Those are fun. NES, Super Nintendo, that's where it's at. iPhone. See if it has an iPod Touch. That's another thing. A lot of them, some of them, these are open for. I mean, you can download it no matter what you have, but they won't work obviously until. Yeah, see, optimized for iPhone 4. Now I could have downloaded this and it would have let me, but it wouldn't have worked whatsoever. So let's try this. Try that one. I'm gonna be really sad if these don't work. There's themes, it's loading. This usually takes a second. There we go. And that's a large paragraphs. Emulator.
She's on a business trip to China and she sent it to me out of the blue. I'm not an idiot.
Alright, screw it, we're downloading it.
Who told you that?
Who cares what it does?
The cactus tell you that? Is this one of those fortune-telling cactuses? Winston, think. She's gonna break up with
What's you doing?
She doesn't think I can take care of a regular plant.
Ah, 5.1 megabytes. A lot of them will be small, like the themes and stuff. They'll be in the kilobytes range, like only 60 or something, so pretty dang small. Now we're loading, got this going on, making us feel cool and evil and hackerish like the people in the movies. Downloading, we still. If this doesn't work, I'll just cry and kill myself. Hope I don't get flagged for saying that. Most likely not, but Onision does all the time, so what the hell. And we're moving right along. And we're still downloading stuff. Oh crap.
Oh, hey, Cecilia. Did you get my junk mail? Yeah, I went to. Yeah, I'll come down.
Schmidt is such a douchebag. Okay, so one thing I'm gonna say on here that has nothing to do with jailbreaking it. I have this awesome idea for bacon flavored syrup. So if this video sucks so bad, at least put a comment on there for that. So, alright. Yes, emulator. Cool. We're gonna go back to the main screen. Hopefully down there. Ah, there we go. Fine game.
You think singing a song about a kid is gonna stop him from getting his ass kicked?
I know 12-year-olds are vicious, vengeful creatures. Middle school girls literally scalp each other. I spent most of 6th grade with a bald spot on my head. But don't tell me music can't make a difference. Because it can. Those kids
Anyways, this is good. I haven't quite used this before, but you guys get the point. It's cool. And except for when you can't find the game. But anyways, it's an emulator. You can download games. Oh. Sure. Anyways, hopefully you like this video. It taught you a little bit about what Cydia can do for you. Oh, I'll show you one last cool thing. Ah, there we go. Come on, that's fun. Has like all my mail, and apparently Jaden Todd Hunter confirmed me as a friend. Alright. This is fun. So, yep, notifications, everything else. I'm gonna stop talking about this because I've gone on too long already. So hopefully you liked this video, found it a little entertaining, and yep, pretty much that's it. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever you feel like. I'll keep throwing videos up, random shit.